In this video, let's talk about how to open a Maya account for beginners. If this is your first time trying to create a Maya account, in this video, let me show you the way on how you do it. Make sure you download the Maya application onto your device first of all. Once the application has been downloaded, you'll be able to see a similar interface. You just need to head over to the Start an Account option. And now within this section, you'll need to fill in all of the information that is asked, such as your first name, your middle name if you have. If you don't, you can just tap and select this option, add in your date of birth, your email address, and your phone number as well. Lastly, it will ask you to create a password, so make sure you create a strong password and then tap on continue. Once you do that, a OTP will be sent to the phone number that you just added in, and once you add in your phone number, you'll be able to successfully create your account in the next step. It is also going to ask you to provide your documents such as one of your government verified or government issued ID. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video did help you out, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next video.